I'm about to show y'all what's in the middle of the flat earth. This information is coming from the book of Enoch. Let's see what the book of Enoch says about the middle of the earth. This is the Rupes Nigra. The middle of the earth is described exactly like this in the book of Enoch. 1 Enoch chapter 26 says, "And I went from thence to the middle of the earth." Verse 2, "And there I saw a holy mountain." Verse 2, "Underneath the mountain to the east there was a stream, and it flowed towards the south." Verse 3, "And I saw towards the east another mountain higher than this, and between them a deep and narrow ravine, and it also ran a stream underneath the mountain." Verse 4, "And to the west thereof there was another mountain, lower than the former and of small elevation, and a ravine deep and dry between them." Verse 4, "And another deep and dry ravine was at the extremities of the three mountains." Verse 5, "And all the ravines were deep and narrow, being formed of hard rock, and trees were not planted upon them. And I marveled at the rocks, and I marveled at the ravine, yea, I marveled very much." This is an illustration of what Enoch possibly could have seen in the middle of the earth. And I believe that the North Star sits above this mountain. We got the book of Enoch, chapter 17, verses 2 and 3. "And they brought me to a place of darkness, into a mountain, the point of whose summit reached heaven. And I saw the places of the luminaries and the treasures of the stars." So here's a wind tracker on Google Earth. This video is going to show you what the wind patterns look like in the North Pole. This is the North Pole. Why is it making this pattern?
It's located in the center of the North Pole, and it's the center of the Earth magnetic field, known as the Taurus field. That black thing in the center of the whirlwind is the tallest mountain on Earth, far more taller than the Mount Everest. It's so tall that even it keeps reaching out the clouds. It's the Rupes Nigra, or the Black Rock, also known as Mount Meru. Some people also called it Mount Zion. You wouldn't find this massive mountain existence in mainstream science and media because it's deliberate.
So on the flat earth, there is only a magnetic north. There is no such thing as a magnetic south pole. No matter what, a compass will always point to the center. Our magnetic field is a torus field. This is an example of our torus field. This is a torus field. This is our magnetic field. And this is how the torus field works on the flat earth. Again, there is no opposing pole at the edge. The entire flat earth is diamagnetic. Everything is electromagnetic. So we have a magnetic North Pole, and we have the sun and the moon creating our electromagnetic field. And this is how we get hurricanes and water currents. We live under an electromagnetic dome battery.